Let the spectator choose a random card. Do Marlowe tilt to control the card to be second from the top. Take 2 cards and hold them with your pinky. Take half of the pile below and place it on top face up. Then take the rest of the pile and place it on top facing up. Hold the bottom card with your thumb. Do a swing cut. Add 1 card to the pile below, then do the Tenkai's optical revolve. Do the Pharaoh shuffle. Show to the spectator that the cards are half face up and half face down. Do a swing cut and turn over 1 cards that are face up.